To do a basic core strengthening curl up, start by lying on your back with your arms crossed over your chest. Bend your knees and put your feet flat on the floor, keeping your heels about 1 foot, 30.5 centimeters, away from your butt. When you're ready, tighten your abs and lift your upper body off of the floor. Try to make at least a 30-degree angle between the floor and your shoulders, or stop when your elbows touch your thighs. Then slowly lower yourself back down to the floor. From start to finish, the curl up should take about 3 seconds. When you're starting out, shoot for about 20 curl ups in 1 minute. As you get better at it, work your way up to doing 40 to 50 per minute. For an extra challenge, extend your arms straight up towards the ceiling instead of crossing them over your chest. Keep them extended in front of you as you do the curl up. You can also point your feet up at the ceiling instead of bending your knees. This will help activate the muscles in your lower abdomen and hips. Try holding the curl up for an extra 3 to 5 seconds for a more intense workout. To get the most out of your curl ups, do them on a consistent schedule and combine them with cardio exercises like jogging or biking. Help your abs heal after a workout by eating a healthy diet that includes lean proteins like chicken and fish.